Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Long John donuts. So let's get started. For the dough, I've got here 3 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour which I have sifted, 3 tablespoons of raw sugar or you can use white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 50 grams of soft butter, 1 1/4 cups of warm milk and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Some oil for frying and extra flour for dusting. And for the filling, I've got here 1/2 cup of strawberry jam or you can use raspberry jam, 600 ml of thickened cream, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar for sweetening the cream, extra 3 tablespoons of icing sugar for dusting and 2 piping bags. To make the dough, take your flour, add sugar, salt on one side, and yeast on the opposite side away from the salt as the salt will kill the yeast. Mix the salt with the flour first and then mix everything together. Make a well in the center. Add milk. Beat the egg using a fork and add it to the milk. Add butter. Mix it with a spoon first until it just comes together. Sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top. Place the dough on the floured surface and knead it until it is no longer sticky. Use extra dry flour for dusting and you can also dip your hands in the dry flour while kneading. Bring the edges to the top, pinch it together and form a ball. Rub some oil in the dish, apply oil on both sides of the dough and place it in the dish. Take a piece of plastic wrap, spray it with some cooking spray and cover the dish. Now cover it with a tea towel and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, punch it down, rub some oil on the bench top and place the dough on the oiled surface. Roll the dough into a log and cut it in half. Cut each half into 4 to 5 pieces depending on the size of donuts you want to make. Place a piece of baking paper on one side of the bench top. Take one piece of dough at a time and make it into a ball. Roll it into a log about 15 cm in length. Press it lightly and put it on the baking paper. Repeat this with the remaining dough. Cover it with a tea towel and let it rise for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, place a fry pan on medium heat. Add some oil and heat it. Line a tray with a piece of baking paper and place some paper towel on top to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, carefully place 2 donuts at a time and fry it for 2 minutes on each side. Take them out, let the excess oil drain off and place them on the paper towel. Repeat this process. Transfer the donuts on a wire rack and let them cool for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix the jam well, transfer it into a piping bag, put a rubber band on the top and put it aside. Now take your thickened cream, add icing sugar and beat it using an electric beater until thick. Transfer it into a piping bag, put a rubber band on the top and put it aside. Cut each donut in half lengthwise. Fill it up with some whipped cream and put some jam on one side lengthwise. Sprinkle some icing sugar on the top and repeat this with the remaining donuts. My Long John donuts are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.